Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something special for all the board game enthusiasts and nature lovers out there. We're diving into a cozy and captivating game that has captured the hearts of many, Cascadia, an award-winning nature board game set in the picturesque landscapes of the Pacific Northwest. You can find the link to check the latest price and availability in the description below. So, what exactly is Cascadia? At its core, Cascadia is a tile-laying and spatial puzzle game designed for 1 to 4 players, ages 10 and up. The game immerses you in the natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest, where you'll create your own habitat by placing tiles that represent different terrains like forests, rivers, and mountains. As you build these nature corridors, you'll also attract various wildlife, including bears, salmon, and owls, each uniquely contributing to your strategy and scoring potential. One of the standout features of Cascadia is its impressive accolades. It was awarded the prestigious Spiel des Jahres Game of the Year in 2022, along with the American Tabletop Award for Best Strategy Game in the same year. Additionally, it earned Board Game Geek's Light Game of the Year title in 2021. These awards speak volumes about the game's quality and its appeal to a broad audience. Cascadia isn't just an award-winning game. It's also family-friendly and offers exciting gameplay for both seasoned gamers and newcomers alike. With a family mode designed specifically for those who may be newer to gaming, it ensures everyone can join in on the fun without feeling overwhelmed. The gameplay is elegantly simple. You can teach the rules in just 2 minutes, and each session typically lasts between 15 to 30 minutes. Now, let's talk about the gameplay itself. Players take turns selecting tiles and wildlife tokens to build their habitats. The goal is to create the most harmonious ecosystem by balancing the placement of terrain tiles with the wildlife tokens that best fit those spaces. With multiple ways to score points, players must think strategically about how to maximize their habitat corridors while also ensuring their wildlife is positioned optimally. This adds an exciting layer of strategy and competition, keeping players engaged throughout the game. Cascadia is suitable for a wide range of players. Whether you're playing with family on a cozy game night, having friends over for a casual gathering, or even enjoying a solo game session, Cascadia offers a relaxing yet stimulating experience. Its straightforward mechanics make it a great choice for introducing new players to the world of board games while still providing enough depth to satisfy more experienced gamers. Practical use cases for Cascadia are endless. It's perfect for family game nights where you want to foster a sense of teamwork and strategic thinking. It also works well for casual gatherings, where you can engage in lighthearted competition with friends. Additionally, it's a fantastic option for solo players looking to unwind after a long day, as it allows for a peaceful, contemplative gaming experience. In summary, Cascadia is more than just a board game. It's an invitation to explore the beauty of nature while engaging in thoughtful strategy. With its award-winning design, easy-to-learn mechanics, and family-friendly approach, it has something to offer everyone. Whether you're a seasoned board gamer or someone just starting out, Cascadia promises a delightful experience that's both engaging and relaxing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.